I used to have a van called Momo. It was a 2013 Ford Transit Connect, and I turned it into my first camper van. That little van took me through so many places, and honestly, it changed my life. But every journey reaches a point where you outgrow the vehicle that carried you there. So, this is the next chapter. This is a 2019 Mercedes Sprinter. It's a 3.0-liter diesel, 144-inch wheelbase, with just over 100,000 miles on it. According to the Carfax report, it has no reported accidents. It spent most of its life as a commercial fleet van instead of a privately owned vehicle. The maintenance history is actually pretty reasonable, mostly routine items like brakes, tires, batteries, and light bulbs. The purchase price was, are you ready for this? $17,922.07, which is actually below the current market value. It isn't registered yet. Once you add the taxes, registration fees, and everything else, the total cost coming at around $20,000. So, do you think this was a good deal? Have you ever found an incredible bargain on a used vehicle? I'd love to hear your story in the comments. But buying a used van for a camper conversion is rarely as simple as finding a good price. When dealers sell commercial vans like this, they're usually sold as is. Every repair becomes your responsibility. And this van definitely has a past. It has a big dent on the top. The side panels have taken a few hits. The rear doors are covered with screw holes and cuts. They've also been hit more than once, leaving dents across the panels. And if you look down here, the rear bumper has taken a beating as well. I've never really done automotive bodywork before, but I guess this is a learn-as-you-go game again. Besides cosmetic damages, there are some mechanical problems too. I noticed a noise coming from the differential pinion. The air conditioner also isn't blowing cold air. And since the van still isn't registered, I can't legally take it on a long highway drives yet, which means there are probably more issues waiting to be discovered. I guess that's what buying an old commercial van is like. You don't get a full story on the day you buy it. You discover it one repair at a time. Anyway, just like when I build Momo, every new camper build starts the same way. The first thing I need to do is empty out the cargo area. So, let's start there.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing good. Okay, thank you.
Of course.
We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We ain't slowing down. We keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. Yeah. No, we ain't slowing it down. Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby. Come and show me how. Gotta do it right now. You know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium. Pull up with a team and them ain't worried about the other side. They know that they ain't beating them on everything I love. Work to the man above. Keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, though. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we are Interscope. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent, though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worked in. I never change the blueprint, cause we know it's really working. Keep on moving, moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling, rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. Never slowing down, never moving, moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling, rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. Never going losing, cause we in it for the movement. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Don't play into their amusement. If we trying, we ain't dying. Never sleep, never sleep, never. The moment that you rest your head, they think they can't compete. If you gotta skip steps, then the plan is not complete. Get your reps in, get your reps in, get your. Never rest on a past success. You gotta love what you do if you tryna be the best. Keep on moving, moving. Keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling. Yeah, you ain't slowing it down. Never slowing down, never moving, moving. Keep on moving. Keep it moving, keep it rolling. Keep it rolling, keep it moving. We ain't never gonna lose.
哦，终于空掉了。
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keep rolling on. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. Left my baby crying, said she can't live that way. I told her love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away. Yeah. Saw the sun in distance, looked like a burning coin.
就是皱皮水饺，它的皮足够薄，煮出来这个皮就会皱起来。
turtle under the trainer. It's over there.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave. Yeah, there might not be a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender.
I think it's ready for the next step. Body work.
Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it.